Strike Elite Strife. Last week we did a video on the Nerf the Nerf Modulus Iron Fire Blaster. And when I got this blaster, I was pretty surprised that I actually found it, because when I found it, it actually came in a bonus pack with this 18 dart clip. It comes with a 6th clip, so I'm going to try this with the 6th clip. So yeah, this is really handy because it came in a bonus pack. Yeah, so cool. So we're back, and and so on the box we got, it says here that Elite XD, it says fires up to 27 meters, if you can read that little tiny writing there. It comes with 6 darts and a 6 dart clip. It's clear, so that's cool. If you look down there, you can see the rev trigger and the actual trigger. I think this is an extendable one. I'm not sure though. I'm not actually sure. I think it probably is because it's got that attachment. It's got a jamble up there. It's got an I can't remember what it's called, but like a iron sight. On the back, it shows you like we got the motorized like trigger. We got the clip that I think it drops out, or you just click that button then it drops out. We got the tactical rail up here, and it says here in small writing, it says 73% of the darts go 26 to 30 meters, so that's pretty far, and 27% of your darts go 26 meters. So below 26, sorry. Yeah, so that's all for the box. And now we can actually undo it. So I'll be back when I got some scissors. We've got some scissors here. And we've also turned the lights on so you might be able to see it a bit better. Move it a bit closer. So now I think we're going to try and break this apart. Yay! So just cut this string here. This is hard. So I'm going to try and snap this. I just realised this is wire actually, so you can't cut it. But actually on the sides here I just realised there's a piece of tape you can attach this to. Yeah, there's one over this side as well, yeah. And now what we should be able to do is, hold on, there's one at the bottom here as well I think. There. Let's just check. Oh yeah, here you go. Couple at the bottom here. Just there and over here. So just gonna zoom in a bit. There we go, and then try and get this bit here. So just go on that, and then it's kind of hard. There we go. So, and now we snip. There we go. That was hard. So now, there we go. That's pretty easy. Whoa! Oh, that's where they went. I was wondering where they were going to be. We got our instructional manuals, and we've also got some blah blahs. So yeah, let's just try and get these out. It's the way to do it. Total way to do it. Oops. Just oh, whoops. Blah. Disgusting. So now let's slide that out. Well, it comes around here, slide that out. There we go. Round, and off. Slide it round, off, round, off. That's all of them. So now, take the scissors away. Oh, it just comes out. Wow, that was really easy. So just going to get these bits out if we just... There we go. So now if we... Oh, this is... Yeah. So... Just slide these bits out. There we go. Just get these bits of Whoa, this is a really nice blaster. So here's a 6 dart clip, slots in there. And then I think what you do if you press something here, it comes out like that. So you can just like go, maybe the wrong way. There you go. Let's put that. So now we've got the, if you look, oh, this is the good side. So we got the thing in there, and just slide it like that, very easy. I think you can even go like this as well. No, you have to pull it out, so that's nice. So when you're doing it, it's the rev trigger there, nice and easy. When you load the thing in, I think you have to press that. Really nice, yep. And I think we're going to get the batteries. So we're back with the batteries. This bit here just slides off once you've got a screwdriver. Here's a screwdriver I use, just one set one of my friends had. So I'm just going to slide these in. Like so. Sorry everyone, I just can't remember how the batteries. So, so they just, so they go like, okay, I see. So they just go in that way first. Do they? Or do they just, There we go. Sorry everyone. So we're back again, and yeah. Just watch us screw it back up. Just checking. There we go, it's tighter. No of them coming out. Oh. Do you hear that? Oh my god. So yeah, so I just filled the darts in with the clip. You just slide it in. Sorry, I'll show you the good side. And then you just rev up. Oh, you can see the dart inside if you look. Can you see the dart inside? Look at it. I'm shooting you. Boom. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to see you in the range test. So you've got the clip here, so I'm going to rev it up. That just sounds so cool. Ready? Oh. That's to slide the 6 dot clip out just by clicking that trigger there. And get the 18 dot clip. Slot that in. How does it go? Oh, it goes like that. There we go. So I've got my 18 dot clip in now, so it should last a bit longer. Couple more. All of them. So that's all of them. So now we're going to reload and go back a bit further. Thank you for watching.